Hello friends, it's been long since I've made videos on Django tutorials. From now I will make it regularly, and if you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please mention your doubts in the comment section. And if you need any video on any particular topic, please mention that in the comment section as well, and I'll surely try to make the video on that. This is a simple Django project. I will run it and show you. Yeah, you can see this. It's a simple Django project, and I will open it in the VS Code. To integrate the social authentication system in our Django project, Django provides a special module called AllAuth. So here we are going to install that in our Django project. I will go here, and you have to install it with the pip command, pip install Django AllAuth. Very good. We are done with installing AllAuth. Now we have to include some code in the settings.py file. Go there, and in installed apps you have to mention user, then AllAuth django.contrib.sites, then AllAuth.account, then you have to put the command also, AllAuth.social account. Yeah, and we have to mention the providers also here. So, providers, and this is the code for Facebook provider, and we will mention the Google one also in the similar way. Just edit this Google. Okay, yeah, we are done. And we need to add the site ID also here. I think we have missed the comma here. Okay, yeah, here I will mention site ID. Site ID is equals to 1. Okay, after this we will set these URLs in the urls.py. Just write path hyphen accounts slash, and we will include the AllAuth URLs, AllAuth.urls. Now I'll make a simple HTML page. I will create a new folder, name it as templates, and I will make a file inside it, and it will be named as index.html. I'll write the simple code, HTML body button. We will add a link also. As the Google one. Then we have to tell the Django where to search for this HTML page. So let's go back into the settings file, Here we have to mention in the divs that os dot path dot join base dir comma, and we have to mention the path name templates. Yeah, and now Django search for all the HTML pages in this templates folder. Okay, fine. In index.html page, we have to mention 2 lines of code by which our HTML page redirects the page to Google sign-in or Facebook sign-in. Load social account and providers media. Yes, these 2 lines integrate the social authentication into our HTML page. Let's run the command migrate so that all the changes we have made in the settings.py file will be taken effect. So python manage.py migrate. OS is not defined. Let's go back to settings.py. We have to import OS also here. Import OS. Yeah, it's perfect now. Okay, we are getting this error, so let's go to settings.py file and check once again. Oh sorry, I have not mentioned the comma here. I will do it. Let's try again. Okay, there's no need of mentioning the user here because we haven't installed user app here. So yeah, we'll try again. We'll go to urls.py. Yeah, the migrations are being done. Now let's check if the changes have been reflected in the admin panel. Go to run the server. Now we will set the URL for the HTML page. For that, create a new view.spy page, views.py. In here, import these 2 things: a function def home, and its arguments would be request return vendor of request comma index.html. This code returns the index.html page, but we have to link this with the URL first. Go to the URLs again. Let's import all the functions in the views.py. From .views import star. This imports all the functions from the views.py file, and now we will add the path comma. This would be the default page, that's why I'm leaving this field as empty, and the function is home. Yep. Yeah, now this is linked. The server is running already, so I will open that. Facebook app, please add a social app using the Django admin. So for now, let's comment that, and I will show that again. I want to show you something else before this thing, so just comment it out and we'll try again.